Well, hi there. How's it going? I got my brain partially working. We got some stuff going here. So I pulled out the jack and stuff out of here. I had to figure out how to pull this whole panel. Let me get some light going here for you. I had to pop the panel. Luckily, I didn't have to pull it all the way from down there. So hopefully I'll be able to just slide it back in and then get these couple of tabs here, pop back in where they go. But I had to get there because you have to access this connector, which pops through the bulkhead here. This has a rubber seal that you push through, and the connector pops through, goes through there, and it's taped. You also have a little wiper fluid sprayer thing here. So I popped out this upper piece here. It's got the tabs on it there. That came out pretty easy, and then I had to take the screws out here. Now, one issue is I'm going to go hunting for it in a little bit, but I didn't realize this one right here, it just goes through and connects to its own little keeper on the back. It doesn't actually go into the metal or into a fitting like this one does. This one actually screws in to a bulkhead connector here. But up here, there isn't another one, you see. So whatever that screws into, there is no connector sitting there for it to go into, so I'm just going to screw it. I'm going to put a backer on it and screw it back into this plastic molding here is what I'm going to do. Anyway, we're getting ready to take off these hinges now. And then I'm going to learn how to do that lock cylinder on this particular door to get the lock cylinder swapped, and then maybe I'll get to even trying to hang the new door. We'll see. Gosh. Whew, sorry. Oh, doing what I can, little bit by bit. I love it when my brain works and then my body works with it. It's very lovely. I love that I can still, with the right environment and the right support and getting good rest and, just self-care. Gosh, I feel like I could do anything again, I really do. That's all part of recovery, isn't it? And for me, it's like with a lot of you, it's a continual flow of, ups and downs. Right now, wow. Gotta say, I'm impressed. We're getting somewhere. And we're running into problems, of course, but that's how it goes. And we're doing our best to keep that good attitude going. And just know that if we just go little by little, just a little by little, and if I give myself plenty of time, including not working on it for 4 days, then that's okay. And then as soon as I have a little gumption, get back in there and get on it again. So it's coming along. All right. Bye.